Kishipai jong ke Israel Defense Forces kilakam au Hehduh jong ke Hezbollah ulayap ka Jingther jong ke Israel hagani kisi ke baladap hanong ba Beirut kani ka Jingther jong ke Israel dikin namding kala jah ka arpunyo tarik menta ubnai haka ba ka Jingther kalong ka ba shirkhe ru kata kata da ka balayo jingtip bagi dan ki kamanda bagi Hehduh jong Hezbollah hakawi ki jaka pa ba ka badan hapa kanong ba Beirut
مباشر شبابان ثم لا ضربة وهي واحدة تاني هون
unong aiktien jong ki IDF habala kali da kila patai khobor hakani kisni ke baladab halo ke jingmi khobor ba ke jingna khobor ba unu Hehduh jong Hezbollah ula banyam nakane ke Jingther jong ki Israel unu Hehduh ban unong aiktien jong ki Israel sipai Israel ula ong ngam tharai ba kat katu ke Jingther ula banang lai im ba shisha lami khobor mtasngi ba ka IDF kala pentikana ba unu Hehduh jong ki Hezbollah ula yap ang ke Jingther bom jongka
forces carried out a precise strike on the central headquarters of the Hezbollah terror organization that served as the epicenter of Hezbollah's terror. Hezbollah's central headquarters was intentionally built under residential buildings in the heart of the Dahia in Beirut, as part of Hezbollah's strategy of using Lebanese people as human shields. On October 8th, Hezbollah started attacking Israel. After almost a year of Hezbollah firing rockets, missiles, and suicide drones at Israeli civilians, after almost a year of Israel warning the world and telling them that Hezbollah must be stopped, Israel is doing what every sovereign state in the world would do if they had a terror organization that seeks their destruction on their border, taking the necessary action to protect our people so that Israeli families can leave their homes safely and securely.
Kani ke Jingther jong ke Israel ke Hezbollah kalong tang hani khna sngi bo Prime Minister jong ke Israel Benjamin Netanyahu ura ke jing maham ke bateng ke Hezbollah ta ka ong bakat ba ke Hezbollah kinang le ke kampatrium naklang jong Israel
as long as Hezbollah chooses the path of war, Israel has no choice and Israel has every right to remove this threat and return our citizens to their homes safely. And that's exactly what we're doing.